Analyze your spreadsheet data like a pro using ChatGPT. Watch to the end for some extra magic. Start by enabling the plugins Draw Chat with G-Sheet and Photorealistic. I want you to analyze the data on the link below using the Chat with Sheets plugin. Please tell me when you're finished. Now we're going to paste a link to our Google Sheet that has the data that we want to analyze. A few moments later, ChatGPT has finished analyzing the data and is ready for further prompts. We're just going to keep it simple for this example. Let's start by giving me a summary of the data, and less than a minute later, ChatGPT has summarized all of the data in the sheet into plain English. But let's ask another question. Which extracurricular activity is most common with males? I think maybe that question was a little bit too easy. Let's try something else. I want you to create me a pie chart using the Draw plugin. It should represent the popularity of each extracurricular activity, and just a few moments later, ChatGPT makes us its pie chart using the Draw plugin, and it looks pretty good. And now for the cherry on top. Finally, I want you to use the Photorealistic plugin to make me an image for the COVID of my report. Use the theme of the data to come up with something which would be suitable. A few seconds later, we've got our prompts, which we're going to take over to Midjourney. Let's choose this one. We're going to copy the text and paste it straight into Midjourney. Midjourney gets to work, and just a couple of minutes later, we've got 4 options for images that we can use that accurately represents the data that we've been analyzing to get access to our ChatGPT prompt pack. Just go ahead and check out our profile.